Díoghaibh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn the chorus and first two verses of Ghile Mear. The modern form of the song was composed in the early 1970s by Donal O'Lehan, using a traditional air collected in Coolay, County Cork, and lyrics selected from Irish language poems by 18th century Cork poet Sean Clárach MacDonald. The pronunciation I use in this video is based on Iarla Linnar's rendition. First of all, I'm going to read through it from start to finish, and then I'll go through it line by line with an English translation. Shell dá rás im bhaighdean thaobh, Sanis im bhainteach chaite ré. Mo chéile ag trabha na domhan go train, de bhór na gnuk san imi géin. Sé mo léach mo Ghile Mear, sé mo chéasar Ghile Mear. Sún ná séin ní bhúras hain, ó thuaidh I géin mo Ghile Mear. Bíimse bún búirt gach ló, ag cuí go crua is ag túr na nóir. Ó scaoileadh weim an búchal beo, is ná riamhtar túrascuig mo bhrón. Now, line by line with an English translation. Shell dá rás im a bhaighdean thaobh. Once I was a gentle maiden. Shell dá rás im bhaighdean thaobh. Sanis im a bhainteach chaite ré. But now I'm a spent, worn-out widow. Sanis im bhainteach chaite ré. Mo chéile ag trabha na domhan go train. My spouse is strongly ploughing the waves. Mo chéile ag trabha na domhan go train. De bhór na gnuk san imi géin. Over the hills and far away. De bhór na gnuk san imi géin. Now the chorus, Corfa, chorus. Sé mo léach mo Ghile Mear, my gallant darling is my hero. Sé mo léach mo Ghile Mear. Sé mo chéasar Ghile Mear. He's my Caesar, gallant darling. Sé mo chéasar Ghile Mear. Sún ná séin ní bhúras hain. I found neither sleep nor happiness. Sún ná séin ní bhúras hain. Ó thuaidh I géin mo Ghile Mear, since my gallant darling went away. Ó thuaidh I géin mo Ghile Mear. Bíimse bún búirt gach ló. Every day I'm constantly enduring grief. Bíimse bún búirt gach ló. Ag cuí go crua is ag túr na nóir. Weeping bitterly and shedding tears. Ag cuí go crua is ag túr na nóir. O squeal gwem an buchel bio. Because my lively lad has gone away from me. O squeal gwem an buchel bio. Is ná riefter toerisk weg ma vroon. And no news is heard from him, my sorrow, alas. Is ná riefter toerisk weg ma vroon. I hope you found this video helpful. To find out more on how to improve your Irish, click on the link below and download our 10 secrets for practicing Irish every day. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.